Are you looking for some help in losing some weight, especially in those hard to lose areas, such as underneath the arms, around the thighs, around the belly? Those are some of the hardest areas to lose weight. And do you know why? Because your metabolism, known as Agni in Ayurveda, is not strong. And this especially affects women in their perimenopause, menopause, and postmenopause stages. This is why I've created a 30-day digestion program. This program is a holistic, integrative approach to strengthen your Agni. And not only are you going to see the impact in these different areas, but also your joint health will be much better. Your clarity in the mind will be much more sharp. These are some of the benefits that some of my past clients who have done a cleanse with me have noticed. So look at the link below and check it out because you don't want to miss it.